This is maths video for grade 3. Today we are going to see the next lesson. What is the lesson name? Fun with numbers. What is lesson name? Fun with numbers. Do you know number names? See, now I am going to explain it. Numeral means, what is meant by numeral? Numeral represent the number, not name, that represent only number. See, numeral means 1, 2, 3 and so on. Number names means we want to write the name of the number. Number names. 1 means ONE 1. 2 means TWO 2. These and all you study in your lower classes. In that lesson, we are also going to see about counting. What is meant by counting? Counting means to count 1, 2, 3 and then so on. Counting in 50s, tens and 50s. That topic also we are going to see. And one more topic is there, place value. What is that? Place value. Place value, in that lesson we are going to see only 3 place value. Ones, tens and then 100. Now open a book, I will briefly explain that. Now open your maths book to page number 13. See, what is the lesson name? Fun with numbers. See, Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Indra and Sunil were collecting imli. Imli means tamarind seeds. See, Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Indra and Sunil were collecting imli. Imli means tamarind seeds. See, Radhika collected how many? She is Radhika. She collected 24 seeds. And Gauri, she is Gauri. She has collected 47 seeds. And he is a Vicky. He has collected 42 seeds. And she is Indra. She has collected 54 seeds. And he is Sunil. He has collected 38 seeds. See, who collected the most seeds? See, 24, 47, 42, 54, 38. Which is the most number, big number in this? 54. So, here you write Indra. Indra collected the most seeds. Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. See, Sunil collected 38 seeds. But Vicky collected 42 seeds. We want to find out the difference. Difference means 42 minus 38, that is 4. See, Sunil will collect 4 more seeds to be equal to Vicky. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have. Radhika has collected 24. 6 more seeds means we want to add 24 plus seeds. So, totally 30. How many children have more than 40 seeds? See, 1, Gauri more than 40, Vicky also more than 40 and Indra also more than 40. So, here you write 3 children. And dash needs 3 more seeds to equal to 50. See, near to 50, 47. 47 plus 3, we will get 50. So, here you write Gauri. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40. See, Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40. And dash has 2 seeds more than 40. See, Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40. But Vicky has more than 2 seeds. So, here you write Vicky. Turn the next page. Dot game. Guess the number of dots in a circle. Now count and check your guess. Play this game with your friends by making circle. See who can guess best. See, can you guess the number of dots on me? How many dots on the deer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally 7 dots on deer. And on me. See here one bug is there. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6. Here the one circle drawn by someone. Now we are going to find out how many dots are in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So totally in the circle, how many dots are there? 16 dots. Now I am going to draw one circle. It is not circle, but you consider as a circle. See how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 dots are here. Like this you play this game to your friends. And then next page, Dhoni's century. In lower classes, I mean in class 2, you already knew about century. Century means 100. One day match between India and South Africa in Guwahati. India batting first. See, here is the playground. They are playing cricket. The two members are commentary. They tell about the comments. They tell the comments about cricket. See, Dhoni on 96. Only one ball left. Will he complete his century? And look at this. What a marvelous six. And one girl asked, has he completed his century? She asked, has he completed his century or not? See, fill in the blanks. Dhoni scored 96 runs. In last balls, how many runs he scored? He scored 6 runs. So we want to add 96 plus 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 9 plus 1, 10. So totally he scored 102 runs. I mean 102 runs. Has he completed his century or not? Yes, he has completed his century. How many runs do these players need to complete a century? Runs, see, runs scored, runs needed to complete a century. Player 1, runs scored 93. Century we want 100. See, 100 minus runs scored. How many runs player 1 scored? 93. 100 minus 93 we will get 7. And then 100 player 2, 100 minus 97. He scored 97 runs. So 100 minus 97, 3 runs. And then player 3, 89 runs he scored. So 100 minus 89, 11 runs. Okay. And then player 4. He has scored 99 runs. So 100 minus 99, 1. That is equal to 100. Almost equal to 100. Turn the next page. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. See, now after 99, we go on like this. 99 after 100, 101, 102. See, 99. Number in figures and number in words. 99. How we can write 99? 100 means we have to tell 100. 101. Here what number will come? Sorry, what number name? What is the number name? 102. 102. See, 104, 104. Here 105. 105. Here how we want to write? 107. Sorry. And then here 108. 112 means 112. And then 95 to 206. Number in figures and number in words. Here what are the numbers are missing? 199. We have to write 199. And then 201 after 202. 202. and then 203. 203 after 204, and then 205, 205, and then 206. See, the ant asked, oh, 206. Guess how many more runs to make a triple century? Triple century means triple here denotes 3. Century denotes 100. So, triple century means 3 into 100. If we multiply 3 into 100, we will get 300. Guess how many more runs to make a triple century. So 300 minus 206. If we minus 0 minus 6 is not possible. So we want to borrow. Here it will become, here also 0. So here we want to borrow. Here it will become 10. 2. Here it will become 10. Now you want to borrow. Now here it will become 10. So 10 minus 6, 4. Here 9 minus 0, 9 will come. 2 minus 2, 0. So how many more runs to make triple century? 94. 94 to make a triple century. And then next page. Top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup. See, players and their scores. APJ scored 128 and A scored 100. CK scored 99 and DM scored 162. KSP scored 152 player. Next table. MD scored 178. PK scored 105 and ST scored 141 and TPK scored 112. At last VVS scored 127. Now look at the question. CK just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? Who is the player CK? He is the player CK. He scored 99 runs. Century means 100. So 100 minus 99 we will find out. If we get, see, totally 1 runs. How many runs to make a century? 1 runs. Dash and Dash scored almost equal runs. See, AS and CK. AS scored 100, CK scored 99. Both are scored almost equal runs. There is only 1 runs different. So here you write AS and CK. Who scored a complete century? No less and no more. Who scored century? AS scored century. Most runs scored by any batsman are, see, MD scored 178. He only scored most runs. So here you write MD. So here you write MD. Dash and Dash have difference of just 1 run between them. See, APJ and VVS. See, VVS scored 127 and APJ scored 128. So here you write APJ and VVS. The both of them scored almost equal runs. There is only 1 number difference. See, who scored 2 more than 1.5 century? 1 century means 100. Half century means 50. And 2 more means we want to add plus 2. So 152. Who scored 152 here? KSP scored 152. Turn the next page. See. Wow, how did you do that? See, counting in tens. 10, 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70, 80, 90 and then 100. Like that here also. 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. At last 180. Here also 320, 330, 340, 350, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390. Here 720. Before that number, what number will come? 710. And then 730, 740, 750, 760, 770, 780, and then 790. At last 800. This is counting in tens. And next one, counting in 50s. 200, 250, 250 plus 50, 300. 350, 400. 400, 450, 500. Here 550, 600, 650 plus 50, 700. 750 plus 50, 800. How far can you go like this? It will go infinity. Infinity means we can't tell that number. What is the biggest number you can call out? There is no such big number. That is only infinity. There is no such big number. In next page, color the numbers. See, find these numbers in the above chart and color them. See first green color 140. 140 where it is in the table? See here. So you color 140. And then 202. 202. See here 202. And then 261. Here where is 261? Here. To color the green. And then 800. See 800. See 374. If you know place value, it will be, this is easy for you. See 374. Here where is 374? Here. And then 656. 656. Next 155. 155. Next pink color 54. Which is 54 here? Where is 54? Did you see the 54? Here 54. And then next one 60. Where is 60 here? Here. 60 is here. And then 195. See 195. And then 555. See 555. And then 642. 642. 179. 179. And then 810. See 810. And next yellow color 445. 445. Where is 445 here? See 445 is here. And then 16. 16. 1 6 is 16. 100. See next one 159. 159. Here where is 159? Here. So you shade 159. Next 685. See 685. And then 699. 699. And then 74. 74. And then 80 plus 90 we will get 170. 171. Okay. Turn that next page. See jumping animals. Gabru, Bunny and Taru are jumping all the way. All the way. See he is a Gabru and he is Bunny and he is Taru. Gabru jumps on every 7th box. See, Gabru jumps on every 7th box. Bunny jumps on every 5th box. Taru on every 4th box. Gabru starts jumping from 90. See, Gabru starts jumping from 90. On first jump, he goes to 97. Bunny starting point is 99. On first jump, he reached 104. And Taru starting point is 106. On first jump, he goes to 110. Okay, now I am going to briefly explain on the board. Thank you, students. Remaining part we will see in next class.